Hi, my sweet children. Today we're going to look at exponents. We talked about this a little bit before spring break when we did PEMDAS, but we're going to go into more detail today. With exponents, you have a base. So let's say 3 is my base, and 2, that little number is your exponent. That does not mean 3 times 2. That is the biggest mistake people make. This means 2 of these bases. So I'm going to write down 2 3s. 1, 2, and then I'm going to multiply those. 3 to the second power is 9. Let's look at another one. Let's say 2 to the fourth power. That does not mean 2 times 4. It means 4 bases. So I'm going to write 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to multiply those. So I'm going to say 2 times 2. That's 4. 4 times 2, that's 8. 8 times 2, that's 16. Let's look at another one. 5 to the third power. That means 3 of these bases. 1, 2, 3. Another way to write a multiplication sign is a little dot. So I'm going to write it both ways so you see it both ways. 5 times 5 is 25. Then I have to do 25 times 5. If you don't know it, then you work it out to the side. That's 125. Think of 5 quarters. That's $1.25, so 125. Let's look at 4 to the third power. That means 3 of these bases. 1, 2, 3. 4 times 4 is 16. If you don't know 16 times 4, then you work it out. 16 times 4 is 64. So that answer is 64. Let's say 7 to the second power. That means 2 7s multiplied together. So I'm going to write 2 7s, and I'm going to multiply 7 times 7 is 49. One more. 3 to the fourth power. 4 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to multiply those together. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And if I don't know 27 times 3, I'm going to multiply that out, which is 81.